Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox and set up the Data Workstation desktop backup. It's 18 terabytes. It does have a 2-year limited warranty, and it is from UnionSine. Woohoo! Now, this is going to be my backup because my normal backup is getting full. So the backup I have now is actually a 5 terabyte. So I'm upgrading to an 18 terabyte. Now this is model HD3510 if you guys want to play from home. On the side it does have different notes that the device does require additional power. You do need to connect the power in order for the computer to read it. And it has multiple languages. And it does have the super speed USB port, which brings you a high-speed data transfer experience. Now, the actual rate, of course, may vary. They always have to have that in there. And, of course, the ideal backup solution for consumers, it claims. Now, it is supposed to be compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android devices. On this side, it does tell you pretty much the connection guide, which is plug it in to the wall outlet. And, this one happens to be 110. But you plug it into the wall outlet, and then you connect it to the computer, and it should work. Alrighty. Note. This is a 7200 RM high-speed hard drive. Vibration or slight sound during startup is normal. Okay, well that's good to know. And let's go ahead and open this puppy up. So we open it up. It has, thank you for choosing UnionSine. And there's more inside. Let's go ahead and do this first. So we have some documentation. We have a warranty card. So we'll put that aside. This looks, quick installation guide. English and looks like multiple languages. Okay. We have a USB to USB-C. A USB to USB. The power adapter, and we have the drive itself. Nice. Ooh, very pretty. And I like all the vents all throughout. It's going to make it nice and cool, literally. And then here you have the 12-volt DC in. And then the USB-C out. So we'll go ahead and plug this thing in. All right, let's get this plug-in ready. Find an open port on my uninterruptible power supply. Plug the USB into the appropriate port. Plug in the USB into an open port on the computer. Plug the power in. It's moving. It's alive. Okay, after doing all the backups and transferring files, there she is in her new home. And she's working wonderfully. Look at that. Awesome.